Here we are at 34 Monarch Avenue in Hillcrest.
This large family home offers a family or flatmate friendly layout with the most amazing views.
Freshly renovated throughout, the master suite has good separation and amazing views over the large freehold section, which is covered in native bush.
French doors open to the view from the dining room, and the layout downstairs is perfect for teens, extended family or flatmates.
Set on over 1,700 square metres of sunbathed bush, you'll absolutely love the bird life, tranquility and privacy that this home has to offer. Make sure this is top of your list to view. I'm David, this is Hannah, let's go take a look.